Hello folks, today we are applying the AMFilm Screen Protector. I just applied the camera lens protector and it turned out great, so we're going to do the screen protector next. First, wipe down the phone with the provided wet wipe that we opened and used for the camera lens protector, and dry it off with the provided microfiber cloth. Make sure the screen is nice and fingerprint and smudge free, and just in case any dust has landed on it, they provide this giant sticky sheet that will allow us to put it over the phone and pull off any dust or anything else that thinks it can try to stick to this phone. There we go. That should be perfectly clean. Now we have the provided screen protector, and that does tell us which end is supposed to be applied at the top, and always look for where your camera lens is up there, and that'll tell you where the top of this is. The top of your phone is, rather. They have a little tab at the top of the back of the screen protector, so we peel that off to make sure the actual screen protector is exposed, and then we set it right on top on the tray, makes sure everything is lined up, and all that we do is press here at the top and then do one little swipe down. We give it a minute to be able to start adhering to the phone itself, and as we peel up, it is automatically lined up. Look how perfect that is. There wasn't any kind of bubble that I'd have to buff out. It's perfectly evenly spaced on each side. The camera is perfectly placed there. These are probably the best worry-free, easy-to-install screen protectors I've ever used on a phone. Highly recommend checking out the AMFilm Screen Protector and camera lens protector that they have for sale right now on Amazon.